raining. It's a little soggy today. I still got a little bit of work to do, a little bit of fine tuning. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Last time you guys saw the Freedom Willys was down at 5 Mile. We had a good time rock crawling, taking on a little bit of a solo mission by myself. But what I didn't show you was the damage we did to her. She did make it home under her own power, but she was a little wonky on the freeway on the way home. And let me show you a little bit about what we found on it. I had bent the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Trying to show it the best I can. But I bent that rear lower control arm mount pretty good. I'm thinking the steering needs to be adjusted a little bit. It's pigeon-toed a tiny bit. I think I tweaked something else in there, but that's not the main reason why she's in the shop. Let me walk outside and show you what we did. Balling out of control flying over the house today. Got their Lear jet out, going for a space cruise. Anyways, those are the stock leaf springs that were underneath the Blazer. We moved them underneath the Freedom Willys. Wanted a lighter spring on it, but me shortening those definitely weakened them. I wanted them to ride good and soft, but as you can see there, we did a little bit of damage to those. Even the other side was a little wonky too. We twisted those up pretty good climbing, so we're going to replace them. But we're going to replace them with something a little better than leaf springs. I've been out here working on this thing a little bit. We're going to build a triangulated wishbone style 3-link for this thing. I haven't been filming any of it. Just been working away, but we'll try to catch a little bit of it today. Hopefully, we'll have this thing sitting on its own weight here this afternoon. She should get quite a bit more flex than she was getting before. And she's definitely going to ride smoother. Hopefully, be quite a bit stronger too. we got this thing put together. Got the lower links in. Airbag sits on top of that towards the back. Same on the other side. And then we built a triangle wishbone style upper link, so it's like a triangulated 3-link, or wishbone 3-link, but put some air to it. And she lifts up. Stink bugging. Roughly there will be ride height. Should ride pretty dang good. It'll flex smoother, operate better, ride better. It's adjustable. And then I can put a valve between those bags. I can shut it off going down the road. It'll be stiff to each side, and then I can open it up and it'll force air from one bag into the other when it's trying to flex when you're on the trail. Should work pretty good. What do you think about that, Big Red?
Looks pretty damn good.
All right, it's the next day. We got the bulk of this rear suspension done. There's a few things I got to finish up today. See if we can button this thing up. Hopefully I can drive it to work this week. Got a few small things to finish up, but I think get those things done and I can throw the fuel tank back in this thing, get the bed back on it, and be able to drive it later today. So we'll see where we wind up. Didn't really film the other day when we got done putting this thing back together and test drove it, so I figured I'd come shoot some stuff today while I had some time. Show you how much better this thing rides and how much better it flexes with the back suspension done. It's raining. It's a little soggy today. As you can see, it flexes out pretty good in the back. It's quite a bit of flex. Imagine if I got me some longer shocks, probably get even a little bit more, but it definitely flexes a lot better. Show you how that's squishing the one. Well, you can't really see the other side until I walk around there, but got almost full extension on that airbag, and that tire drops out pretty good. Definitely flexes pretty good. For the front being IFS, it flexes pretty good as well, but I don't have a sway bar on it on the road. It definitely sags going around the corners, but you can see she's rubbing fender well on this side, and the other side is definitely full extension. She's touching the fender well, and that bag is fully squished out. I still got a little bit of work to do as far as the back mounts and stuff go. I still got to weld some bag plates in there, so I still got a little bit of work to do, a little bit of fine tuning. I may change that upper 3-link mount that's on top of the pumpkin, raise it up just a little bit more, get a little bit better geometry, but she's pretty close. And then when I get done filming, get back home, I got another surprise to show you that's going to be going underneath. 35s are noisy, man. Let that thing fly over. I got another surprise that's going to go underneath that thing as soon as I get some time. I'll show you guys that when I get home. as promised. I told you I had a surprise for the front of that. Well, we found us a 2010 Super Duty axle, Dana 60 off a F350 with 410 gears to match what's in that. So I can put this under it and run it until I got to put bigger tires on it, and then we'll worry about gearing it at that point. But we're gonna have us a solid axle swap here before long. I made it home, got in out of the rain. Check out some of my other videos right here on the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, do that right here. And keep your adventures aimless. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.